Alright, so it looks like we're all just about ready to go. Now, I always love to start with a great French greeting. So, bonjour, everyone. Bonjour. Oh, I think you guys can do better than that. Let's try that one more time. Bonjour, everyone. Bonjour. I love it. Welcome to Papa Maurice's workshop. This is where Belle's father makes all of his inventions and even has plans and working models. Now, in true inventor fashion, he loves to show these off. So please feel free to take as many pictures or as much video as you would like. Just please make sure you turn off that flash and video lighting just as a safety and courtesy to each other. Now, if we're all on the same page, can I get a great big oui? Oui! Excellent. Now, I'm sure everyone has noticed this beautiful mirror on the wall. It is, in fact, enchanted. It can take you from here in the workshop and put you back into Belle's story. I just need your help. I'm going to say a magic phrase, and I need everyone here to repeat it nice and loud, okay? So here we go. Take me back to the day Belle and Beast fell in love.
Take me back to the day Belle and Beast fell in love.
This is so exciting. Tonight's the night Belle and the Beast fall in love. At least we hope so. And to help move things along, you're all going to surprise Belle and act out the story of how they met. Oh, I can hardly wait.
Will you help us surprise Belle?
Yes. Wonderful. And we have enough parts for everyone. First, we need 2 big, strong suits of armor to march around and protect the castle.
First, I need the grown-ups to march. Grown-ups, let me see you march. How about you over there? Take this, stand right here by this tree. Keep marching. That's good. Okay, now you here, take this, stand by this.
Oh, and of course, we'll need someone to play the master, the Beast. He has a mighty roar.
Now, young ones, put those paws with a roar. How about you with the princesses on your All right, I need you to stand right there.
Next, we need Belle's father, Maurice. Maurice gets locked in a dungeon where he shivers from the cold.
Shiver. Oh my goodness, you look so cold. Here, stand over here on this side. I'll scoot that way a little more. There you go.
And of course, we need someone to play Philippe, Maurice's horse. Philippe says, "Yay!"
Yay! One more time. Yay! Oh, you take Philippe. Yeah, right over here. Perfect.
And now, Mrs. Potts and dear little Chip, the teacup.
Oh, no,
They
puppies.
hop everywhere.
Hop, everyone. Hop. All right, let's have you take Chip and stand over there. Right, here's our Mrs. Potts. Stand right over there, please.
And finally, it's time to decide who gets to portray me. Oh, you've got some awfully big drawers to fill. Okay, give me a great big oh.
Take them out of wardrobe, stand over there. Now, I do have a few extra parts, so raise your hand if you would like one.
I think we have time for a quick rehearsal. We'll start with our Beast. Let me hear you roar.
The war beast. Very
Now,
good.
everybody, roar! Wonderful! And now, Philippe, give me a great big neigh! Oh, and Mrs. Potts, Chip, hop. Oh, very good. Suits of armor, march. Really stomp those feet. Maurice, shiver. Philippe, neigh! Woo! Everybody, gallop. Come on, gallop. Mrs. Potts and Chip, hop. Maurice, shiver. Roar, Beast, roar. Everybody, roar.
All right, let's give our friends a
Oh, I know you're going to be just wonderful. Belle will be so delighted to see you. Just wait till she sees your performance. It'll be fabulous. Now, Lumiere will be calling you in soon, and when he does, file into the library quickly and take your seats. Oh, and remember, it's a surprise! So mum's the word.
You see, long before he was turned into a beast, he was a very handsome prince. However, was he a very nice prince like Prince Eric or Prince Charming? No, he was kind of a selfish and spoiled prince. And one night, an old beggar came to the castle, and it was really cold outside. And she was wondering if he could help her in any way. Oh, after she came to his castle, of course, and knocked on the door. And, of course, all she had to offer him, it was a rose in return for any kindness that he could give her. However, did he help her? No! He turned her away. Because, you see, he didn't want to help her because, well, he thought that she looked ugly, which is never something you should say about anyone. That's just rude. And she tried to tell him that beauty is found within. However, did he listen to her?
No.
No, he turned her away again. So, to teach him a lesson about appearance not being everything, she decided to, turn him into a beast. Worked on his temper, he's worked on his manners, and he even gave Belle a gift. Do you remember what it was? I heard someone whisper it. You'll have to speak louder. Library. It's the library. And do you know why he gave her the library as a gift? But anyway, since he and Belle are going to have dinner tonight, we thought what better place to act out the story of how they met than the library. Her favorite place to be and where she loves to read her favorite stories with the Beast. She's shared many of her favorite stories with him, including one of her favorites, which is about a princess who falls into deep sleep.
Madame Wardrobe, we are ready.
Wait, Remar,
Oh,
let's
you're on.
have our cast going first. Once again, we're having
Oh, yeah,
that includes you,
Bye-bye.
And everyone else, follow them into the library.
Well, Lumiere, looks like the village is just about ready for you, Miss.
Wonderful. Suits of armor, are you ready? Oui. Superb. Now, move at the hardest part of all. Throughout the entire tale, don't move. I'm joking. You will be marching soon enough. Now remember, Belle doesn't know you're here, so shh. I shall call her in, and when she enters, we'll all shout, "Surprise!"
What a bright idea, Lumiere.
Oh, Belle, where are you, mademoiselle?
Now.
Well, shall we, before you big dinner with the master tonight, we thought it would be fun to act out a story with you.
Well, I do love stories.
Very well. Let us begin. Once upon a time, there was a charming, intelligent young woman whose name was Belle. Belle lived in a quiet little village, and each morning to everyone, Belle would say, "Bonjour."
Bonjour, everyone.
Bonjour. And one night, when her father was away on a journey, Belle heard the sound of galloping.
Everybody gallop.
It was her father's horse, and he returned to town. But Maurice, he was not with him. Belle asked him where her father was.
Philippe, where's Papa?
Which meant, I think he's somewhere in the forest. So Belle set off through the forest to find her father.
Papa!
As she searched, she could hear the wind whistling.
Everybody win.
And up and ow!
Everybody howl.
At last she came to a castle, and there, locked in a cold, dark dungeon cell, she found her father, Maurice. Belle had ever seen, jumped out and roared. His suits of armor screeched at the top of their lungs. The beast let armies go. But the beast refused, so Belle agreed to take her father's place.
You go, Papa. I'll stay.
Later that night, Belle became hungry and searched the castle for something to eat.
I am a little hungry.
So imagine her surprise when a tiny teacup named Chip hopped up to her and said hello.
Hello. Bonjour.
Then Mrs. Potts hopped up and poured her a nice cup of tea. Suddenly, all the enchanted artists jumped to their feet. The suits of armor marched in time as we invited everyone to be our guests. Our guests, our Suits of armor, you are dismissed.